I am relieved that this report was out, finally out. We know the pressure from the Chinese government, how they tried to whitewash by inviting Madame Bachelet to China and showing her completely different scenes. But despite all this, even though it was delayed to the last minute, but it is a slap on Chinese government's face to release this report. And from the reaction by the Chinese government, we could see this is a big deal. This is a big deal. However, we still believe it is not as strong as we have expected and we wanted. We will be campaigning continuously to recognize what is happening to my people is genocide. While I was reading the report last night after midnight, I can't stop my tears. I believe most of Uyghurs who read the report had the kind of same reaction. In the end, we all, we have been suffering for so long. Majority of us don't know what happened to our families. I interpreted for many survivors. I know the horrors that they have experienced, including sexual violence, torture, sterilization, and extremely disturbing details of what has been happening to those being detained. And also those who, living in their own home, they also been suffering because most of the families have direct family members or relatives, being taken, and they don't know what happened to them for so many years. We don't believe Chinese government, this government, will act. We've seen the reaction from the Chinese foreign minister and the rest. They are completely denying that, saying this is completely fabricated, it's not true. And so from that attitude, that the governments, the UN body should recognize who they are dealing with. This is not the regime that you can have diplomatic relationship and to fix any problems. And therefore, we would ask the governments around the world to really act, give a very strong signal to the Chinese government that business cannot be as usual.